Hey, this is Jason Moss of Georgia Manufacturing Alliance. I'd like to invite you to a really special event that we've got scheduled for February the 21st. Bo Groover and Swift Temp are sponsoring and hosting our 15-year anniversary party for GMA. We're going to invite all of the current and previous members and chapter directors and folks that have played a part in the success of GMA, and we'd really like for you to come join us. It will be like a homecoming type environment. We're going to have a lot of fun and tell some stories about what we've done over the past 15 years, but also talk about what we've got lined up for the future. It's going to be an exciting event. We're going to have lots of fun, so register now. This event definitely is going to sell out, so make sure that you get registered as quickly as you see this video, and you can register online at georgiamanufacturing.com. You don't have to be a member to attend, but and all of the funds that we raise from this event will be donated to our favorite nonprofit, Bobby Dodd Institute. So come join in the celebration, and we look forward to seeing you there.